Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create a payment link for a product that you have created in Stripe so that you can share that link either on a sales page or directly with a client. Okay, so when you come into Stripe, if you go to your product catalog and you click on the product, all you can actually do is edit the product. Or if you click on the three dots, you can archive it. If you edit it, it doesn't give you the option to create a payment link. What you need to do is come to the left-hand side, click on payment links and click on new. And then this will give you the option to create a link. So you want to choose the product that you want to do it for. So for example, I'm just going to do it for this one here as the example. All of the other options fine. It's the same as it would be for checkout. And then you just create a link. And this will then give you a URL that you can then copy and you can paste and you can share that with your audience if you want them to buy something, or if you want to put it, for example, on a sales page. If you, for example, have got the free version of MailerLite and just want to give them create a sales page with a payment link, this is the easiest way to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips.